8 levels, right? So what will happen here, I need to go over this any elevation, right? You can pick any elevation you want, right? And then you'll see the elevation. I don't like this right here, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change them to the triangle head, right? And then the next thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna delete one level here, right? So the first elevation I'll need to create, the first thing I need to create, right, is to first I need to change this name, right? I'll name it natural ground level, right? Yep, it's changed. And then I'll need to copy it, and then 700. I'll name it top of foundation, so it's gonna be TOF, right? Enter. Right, since I've copied this, make it like this, right? So the next thing I'll do, I won't copy, I will draw an elevation, right? Let me draw it. Yeah, I've drawn it. Okay, I'll also change it to, right, so I'll name this first floor level, and I'm gonna make it 225 on the height, right? Okay, let me make you 20, and I'll have to align it to this, and one more thing I'll need to do, right, is to create another another level, right? I'll have to copy, make it 100, and name this let me make it small, veranda garage level, and I usually hide it, right? And then from here I need to copy this and create, let me make it a 2.8, a wall plate height, caps wall plate level, and okay. Then so one thing, right, that you see, we need to apply these levels to the floor plan, because what appears right here is the first floor plan and the natural ground level. And as you can see, the reason why to know that the appearing, the thing is blue, this one is brown, so we need to apply it so it can appear here, right? So the first thing we need to do, we need to come to views, right? Plan views, let's choose floor plan. I only need the top of foundation and the veranda, the wall plate level, right? Okay, so they're all blue, right? So another thing we need to do, right, we need to measure the height from first floor level to wall plate, right? So we need to come to annotate, we need to come to the dimension tag, align, says 280. So what we need to do, we need to set the ceiling height at first floor level. Excuse me guys, I've got flu, right? And then so we're just gonna draw the ceiling, so we'll limit the height of, okay, 2.6. okay, it's fairly okay, 2.6, and then no, let's say 2.650, 2.650. that will be the height of the ceiling. Let me sketch it. Okay, delete it. So our ceiling height is set, guys. So I'll see you on the next video, guys. Thank you.